Bhai.
Hi Bhavika, wishing both of you a very happy 25th wedding anniversary. Welcome to the club.
Congratulations on 25 years of love,
Warmth,
care,
fun,
fight,
craziness,
rutna,
manana,
compassion.
and friendship.
May you two grow even older together
And
and
find beauty in the wrinkles of one another. Happy 25th anniversary!
Hi Dee. Hello Bhavika Dee, Amit Bhai. Congratulations and wish you a very, very, very happy wedding anniversary. Enjoy the celebrations at home this year. Looking forward to a grand celebration with you guys next year. Miss you guys. Congratulations. Bye bye.
Hi Bhavika Di Ahmed Bhai. Lots and lots of good wishes to you on this special day for you, both of you. Wishing you a very, very, very happy wedding anniversary. Lots of years of happiness and togetherness. Wonderful times we had together. I still remember the beautiful 15-day trip. What a awesome occasion that was. And the late night tea parties at Calcutta. Wonderful. Every memory comes ahead when we think of you, and we wish that we continue having many more such memories. Let the lockdown get over. It's time we meet once again and have a blast of a party to celebrate your anniversary. So, enjoy the day and enjoy the year ahead.
हेलो अमित भाई, जय श्री कृष्ण. હેલો ભાઈ ભાભી, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
તમે અમારા ખૂબ અઝીઝ છો. તમે હંમેશા અમારી ખુશીઓમાં શરીક થાઓ છો અને અમારી ખુશીઓને ચાર ચાંદ લગાડો છો. એટલે અમને બી ઈચ્છા થઈ કે તમારી ખુશીમાં અમે સાથે સાથે તમારો સાથ આપીએ અને તમારી ખુશીને વધારવાની કોશિશ કરીએ. અત્યારે આ લોકડાઉનની સિચ્યુએશનમાં બીજું તો કંઈ ન કરી શકીએ એટલે વિડીયો થ્રુ તમને અમારો મેસેજ મોકલાવીએ છીએ. Wish both of you a very happy 25th wedding anniversary and a very happy long life together. जय श्री कृष्ण. जुगल जोड़ी सलामत रहे.
Amit Bhai and Bhavika, you are one of the most adorable couples that we have come across. We've always seen your love for each other in your eyes. The journey of love for each other has completed now 25 years. So happy silver wedding anniversary. May this silver turn into golden, and may God bless you with many more years of togetherness and happiness. So we are dedicating this song to you. Mubarak ho tumko anniversary tumhari.
सलामत रहे तुम, ये दुआ है हमारी. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. गॉड ब्लेस यू बोथ.
એનિવર્સરી અમિત અને ભાવિકા, તમે લગ્નના 25 વર્ષમાં આવ્યા છો, સેલિબ્રેટ કરો છો. મારી અને વિયેતા તરફથી હાર્દિક અભિનંદન બે તરફથી. વી વુડ હેવ એન્જોયડ બિંગ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ ધ સેલિબ્રેશન. આપણે અત્યારના બધા ક્વોરન્ટીન છે અને આ સરસ સમય છે અમારા બે માટે. એકબીજા સાથે સાથ દેવો, એકબીજા સાથે રમવો, ગરબા લ્યો, જલસા કરો, નાચો, એન્જોય. વિયેતા વુડ હેવ વિશ ધ સેમ. વિશિંગ યુ અગેન ફ્રોમ બોથ ઓફ અસ. લવ યુ ગાઈઝ. વિયેતા તરફથી.
Hi Bhavika, hi Amit. Wish you a very, very happy anniversary. And I know this is going to be a very extraordinary and special anniversary. You'll remember all your life. Enjoy it. And parties due.
Happy anniversary to both of you.
Enjoy your day and send lots of pictures. Bye.
Hi. Happiest anniversary to my dear brother Amit and Bhavika. Welcome to the league of 25 years of togetherness I hope you stay healthy and support each other to many more years to come. Thank you. Stay blessed. See you soon.
Hi. Happiest 25th anniversary, dear. તમને ખબર છે તમે બંને રઘુવંશીની શાન છો અને અમારા બધાની જાન છો. ઈશ્વર તમને હંમેશા ખુશ રાખે અને આવી એનિવર્સરી 25th પછી 50th પછી 100 બધું આપણે સેલિબ્રેટ સાથે કરીએ. એન્જોય ધ ડે. સી યુ સૂન. બાય.
Bye.
Happy anniversary, Amit Mamu and Mami.
Happy anniversary, Amit Bhai and Bhavika Bhabhi. Loads of love.
Happy anniversary.
Bye bye.
Stay safe.
Stay blessed.
Hi, Amit and Bhavika. Wishing you both a very, very happy 25th anniversary. But anniversary in lockdown. Oops. So I want to say something to you guys. मत होना डाउन इन दिस लॉकडाउन. पहन ले एक बढ़िया सा गाउन. गो टू टेरेस एंड सी द टाउन. इससे ज़्यादा क्या हो गया इन दिस लॉकडाउन? Waiting for a party after the lockdown. So guys, cheer up, enjoy your day. But अगर पॉजिटिव साइड से देखा जाए तो इससे बढ़िया एनिवर्सरी नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि आज सारे दिन तुम लोग दोनों एक साथ हो. अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता तो दिस वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो सी द पॉजिटिव साइड एंड एंजॉय योर डे. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी टू यू बोथ ऑफ यू. एंजॉय योर फुल डे.
अरे यार पता नहीं, आजकल कोरोना के समय में भी आदमी बर्थडे और वो क्या
अरे
करते
सुनते हैं क्या? भाविका का 25वीं आ रहा है.
भाविका 25 साल की हो गई.
अरे नहीं, उनकी 25th एनिवर्सरी आ रही है.
ओहो, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी
अमित और भाविका.
Happy 25th anniversary, Bhavika auntie and Amit uncle. Hope you both keep smiling forever and always. Happy 25 years of togetherness and many more to come. Stay home, stay safe, be happy like you are always.
Hello Amit bhai.
Hi Bhavika Bhabhi. You're so beautiful and gorgeous. Amit bhai, you're also handsome, ever young.
કૌશલ, અમને છે ને એનિવર્સરી વિશ કરવાની છે, ખોટી તારીફ નથી
એ જ
કરવાની.
તો હું કહું છું, આપણે એનિવર્સરી વિશ કરવાની છે એટલે આપણે ખાલી સારું સારું બોલવાનું હોય, સાચું સાચું નહીં.
Very funny.
Chalo, lol, we were just kidding.
Wish you both a very happy 25th
marriage anniversary. May Thakurji bless you both with lots and lots of love and happiness in life. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi Amit and Bhabhi, wish you a very happy anniversary. Hope you have a great year ahead. Though you did not have a nice day today, but you'll surely have one by seeing our messages. You set as an example for all the love that you both share. Keep growing like this. Love you both. Mwah.
Hi Amit bhai, hi Bhabhi. Wish you a very happy anniversary. Hope you have a great day ahead on lockdown. Cheers.
Hey, here we are. Hi Amit bhai. Hi Bhavika Bhabhi. So, કેવું ચાલે તમારા લોકોનું લોકડાઉન? અમિત ભાઈ, I still remember the first day જ્યારે અમે લોકો તમારા ઘરે આવ્યા હતા as being a youth. તમે લોકો એટલા ફ્રેન્ડલી હતા, તમે ને ભાવિકા ભાભી અમારા સાથે, કે અમને કોઈ દિવસ લાગ્યું જ નથી કે તમે અમારા સિનિયર્સ છો, રાઈટ? એન્ડ મૂવિંગ ઓન હરેક સિચ્યુએશન્સ ને બધી ચીજ કેવી રીતે ટેકલ કરવી એ તમારાથી અમે આ પોઈન્ટે એવી રીતે શીખ્યા છીએ કે આજે અમે એ અમારા એકચ્યુઅલ લાઈફમાં કરીએ છીએ. સો વિશિંગ યુ બોથ હેપી મેરિડ લાઈફ. પ્લસ તમારા 25 વર્ષ થયા છે, તેમાં મને જરાક તો એડવાઇસ આપજો. મારા હમણાં લગ્ન થયા છે આ મેડમથી. સો આઈ નીડ લોટ્સ એન્ડ લોટ્સ ઓફ એડવાઇસ ફ્રોમ બોથ ઓફ યુ. શું કરવું ને શું ન કરવું, right? So wishing you both a happy 25th marriage anniversary. Cheers.
Hi Amit bhai, Bhavika bhabhi. Wishing you a very happy 25th anniversary.
હાય તમને બંનેની 25મી સાલગીરાની ખૂબ ખૂબ બધાઈ. એન્જોય કરો.
Enjoy your day.
Happy 25th anniversary to Amit uncle and Bhavika auntie. Amit uncle, I think you've been the lion not only on the field but out of the field in every sector possible. And of course the lioness Bhavika auntie, you're responsible for being the pillar and you bind all of us together and spread all the positive and happy vibes around us. So I think the lion and the lioness, they do rule the jungle. So have a great life and a long one.
Happy 25th anniversary to Bhavika auntie and Amit uncle. Keep smiling like you always do. Time spent with you both are really very special for me and it's always been joyful being around you people.
Hi. Okay, firstly, it's impossible that y'all are celebrating your 25th anniversary because you guys are like the most coolest couple, and for me, Tamil ko always youth wing majre. So I don't understand how there's some locha in the calculations that y'all have like 25th anniversary. But I'd like to say that you guys inspire a lot of people and don't take enough credit for it. You give them the platform. And as a couple, the talent, the sporting spirit, the love, and in general the warmth that both of you have, I wish that continues to multiply tenfold, thousandfold for the next 100 years. Both of you will be super, 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 super special in my life all the time. And when we see people like you, like couples like you, we feel like y'all are like rockstar jodi. So a very, very, very happy anniversary and lots of love.
Dearest Amit bhai and Bhavika di, happy 25 years of togetherness. And it's just getting started. You're getting younger. Lots of love, Riyansh, everyone, Priya, your lovely sister, and your little brother Rishi. Best wishes.
तेरी मेरी ऐसी जुड़ गई कहानी कि जुड़ जाता है दो नदियों का पानी. मुझे आगे तेरे साथ बहना है, जाना तुम्हें तो है ये बात जानी कि ए जिंदगी कैसी बनती सुहानी. मुझे हर पल तेरे साथ रहना है, तुम कुछ अधूरे से हम भी कुछ आधे, आधा आधा हम जो दोनों मिला दे तो बन जाएगी अपनी एक जिंदगानी. ये दुनिया मिले ना मिले हमको, खुशियाँ भगा देंगी हर गम को. तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो.
Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, Amit Mamu and Bhavika Mami. Enjoy your day.
Happy anniversary, Amit bhai and Bhavika bhabhi, to the most beautiful, loving and caring couple who always rock anywhere. You are such a sweet and loving, helpful. It's just a phone call away and you are there. Stay home, stay safe, have a great day. Thank you.
Wish you both a very, very happy marriage anniversary.
Hi, lovely couple. You two make a perfect combination of love,
togetherness,
bonding,
care and understanding.
We cherish many fond memories of the great time we have spent together.
We wish you both a very happy 25th marriage anniversary.
Many congratulations on your silver jubilee marriage anniversary. Keep loving and smiling.
Happy marriage anniversary to both of you. આ પસંદ કરું તમને શુભાશીષ પાઠવું છું.
Happy marriage anniversary.
Hi, wish you both a very happy marriage anniversary. We have a lot of fond memories since childhood. Wish to live it again. Stay healthy, stay blessed.
Happy anniversary, Garba couple. Stay lively as always.
Happy anniversary, Fia. Happy anniversary, Fuwa. Mwah!
anniversary for Silver Jubilee for you.
Hi Amit, wish you both a very happy anniversary.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ અમિત ભાઈકા હેપી એનિવર્સરી બેટા.
So in this lockdown, sorry we couldn't come, but wish you worlds and worlds of luck and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye, take care.
Hi, my dear Didi and Jiju. Can't believe it's 25 years. It just feels like yesterday. You both are a wonderful couple, and the best thing about you is you both are friendly, enthusiastic, caring, and fun-loving. That's why people around you loves you so much. You both are an inspiration to many, including me. We've had some great times together, right from Kolkata times when we used to go for Dandiya, followed by chai in Gurudwara. I miss all that. But of course, we've got some amazing time in Mumbai as well. Those long drives, trip to Lonavala, Mahabaleshwar, and of course, how can we forget our epic trip to Goa where we had a blast. Remember this shirt? I look forward for many more with you all because your company is the best to me. I really feel happy when you all are around me. Please make a trip to Mumbai every year. Today, on this special day as you celebrate your 25th year of togetherness, I wish you all the happiness in the world and may you celebrate many such years together. Wish you a very happy silver anniversary. I love you both. And remember, party abhi baki hai in Mumbai. Have a blast.
Happy anniversary to the couple whose love and devotion has freaked the hell out of people over these years. You guys have set an example for so many of them and have also become an inspiration for many, including me. I'm proud to be your daughter always and forever. I congratulate you on completing the 25 years of togetherness, and it indeed turned out to be love, laughter and happily ever after over these 25 years. I love you guys a hell lot and you guys mean the world to me. I don't want to say that you guys are the best parents in the world because it's too cliche, but then you actually indeed prove to be the best parents in the world. So yeah, today I'm here saying this, and yeah, I know it's lockdown and we cannot celebrate it अच्छे से, but for sure next year we'll celebrate it अच्छे से. And this year, these messages only I could gather and make a video out of it. So sorry, but then next year we'll have a blast. Love you.
तुम साथ हो फिर क्या बाकी हो, मेरे लिए तुम काफी हो.
Happy anniversary to you, Amit and Bhavika. Happy anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary. Today is the 25th anniversary.
Silver Jubilee.
Yes. तुम जियो हजारों साल, हर साल के दिन हो 50,000 और गूंजते रहो गूंज में. Bye.
જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ ભાવિકા and Amit. Happy 25th marriage anniversary both of you. God bless you both. આવી રીતે જ ભગવાન પાસે પ્રાર્થના છે કે દર વર્ષ તમારું આવી રીતે ખુશાલ રીતે નીકળે અને હસતા રમતા રહ્યો તમે લોકો.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary
to the most energetic and romantic couple.
Have an amazing year ahead.
We love you both.
Happy anniversary, Amit and Bhavika. You still act like a newlyweds, 25 years and going strong. Congratulations. Wishing you both lifetime of happiness. Enjoy, guys.